I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Jordan's making polos? This looks like a Gucci rayon polo. These pants are fire. And they got the knitted crew neck. That's $24. Not bad. So right now I'm at the Nike clearance store on International Drive, man. The resellers are going buck wild in the building. We can see what they leave for us. I doubt it's gonna be anything. I don't even know if it's anything worth looking at. So we're about to comb through the racks and the shoe racks to see what's popping. This is gonna be a chill vlog. Nothing too crazy, not know what to expect. This is a heavyweight, $49 for this mustard joint. The rest is lightweight. This one's 30. We got some crew in the building. Nike Drive Fit, barely volt for $39. Material feels good. It's a tech fleece, what is it? $39 for that. Ooh, Kobe sweater. How much that hitting for? $49.99. More pullovers, so obviously zip downs. Not a fan of zip downs. All white joint. We got some button down short sleeves for $29.99, green. And what color is this, sand? And look at the two different type of shirts, because this one doesn't have a drawstring at the bottom like this one does. Different. And I've been complaining about Nike basketball shorts, how there isn't any, at least nothing comparable to buy. A lot of them are small. The mesh is very thin. It's like wearing lingerie. It's nothing crazy about Jordan basketball shorts, man. Look how short this is. This is way below the knee. This is thigh length. Pass on that. Mesh is very thin. I had to invest in the swimwear. Literally paid $14.99 for this. I actually hooped in it today. Very comfortable. It's not the best basketball short I have, but at this point I don't have any, technically. Genesis LeBrons, Witness LeBrons, Ja 1s. Whoa, 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 whoa. At a glance, I can't find anything. Camaros, 80. Air Max 90s, RNs, ain't shit in here. Cortez, more Camaros, 80 beans. Nothing. Vortex 90s, these are neons, what they're asking for, $79.99. I have found it at that price with additional 30% off. We did find some LeBron necks, and we found some Devin Booker ones. Those are 70, some Freak 6, those are 60. And we found some Vapor Mocs. I remember this shoe was super low. Not sure the price was $99. $50 Cortez. We saw this color earlier. Whole bunch of Romeros. No problem. And they got tons of Romeros. Barely volts. Then they got this pair at the bottom. And they all go for $79.99. Even the black, gray, and white, same price. Even this color, I don't think I've ever seen this color. $79.99. Ooh, the dunks I actually wanted, I bought, then sold on Whatnot. Guys got to follow me on Whatnot. I found some Jordan 1 OG lows. These are the blue metallics. They're going for $79.99. It's a plethora of them too. Multiple pairs available at that size. Then they got more of the Ja ones, smaller sizes, size 10.5. Wait, what's this? A mid? Yes, it is. 60 beans for those. More Giannis's. It's really not much in here. I'm thinking about takeoff. Then in this clearance stores, man, if it was, the resellers got it. So I think I'm gonna venture over to another spot and continue this vlog. So hold tight, I'll see y'all in a bit. So I came here a couple days ago, but my mic really wasn't working. So I'm here to do a second video. Well, I'm gonna try to. Appreciate you guys continue to rock out with me, but I just wanna make one subtle announcement. The next video, I kind of changed wardrobe because it was a whole nother day. I was not motivated at all to vlog. It was very repetitive for me, but nevertheless, I got some heads up about what's gonna be in the building, and obviously probably the thumbnail may reflect that. If it doesn't, wait till you see what's in the building at this spot. And then we'll come back and we'll wrap it up because I got some insights I would love to give y'all. So they do got the UNC Reimagined ones. Hitting for $140, man. Retail was $185. They got putter pairs. The biggest size is a size 12. How I know is because I scanned them. I told y'all to be patient. I know this day was gonna come, which is dope. Dope to see. I'm happy about this. Not only they got those ones, but they got the Team Red, artisanal Team Red, brother, for the same price. Now, which one will you guys go with? I'll most definitely go with this because we've seen this for a whole lot lower before. Then they got the black gold metallics, 109s. I've seen better pricing. What a crazy find in the Nike factory store. We found the Reimagined Air Jordan 1 UNC Blue. Shoe is dope. I want to get that shoe, but if you guys watch my other channel, Ball on the Budget, when I did the release video for that, I said I do want that shoe, but I'm gonna wait till I get to the outlet. That's a shoe that I was waiting to get to the outlet, and it's finally here. We saw the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe Reimagined hit the outlet. Matter of fact, we saw the Air Jordan 4 Reimagined hit the outlet. So it makes sense that we was gonna get the Air Jordan 1 UNC. However, it's $139.99. In the state of Florida, we have a whole month of tax season holiday, so there's no tax on anything that's $100 and below. That quite don't fit the bill. But I'm gonna patiently wait. Hopefully it get reduced to a very minimal quantity, and they gotta move that off the shelf to make room for new product, and I get additional discounts. But I don't foresee it happening anytime soon, and here's why. Due to the fact that we got a whole month of tax season holiday, we got like over 20 days left, and all the Nike factory stores is additional 20% off, and I think that's gonna be a hold until September. So you're not gonna see a 30% off the hash wall. You're not gonna see a 40% off hash wall. If you do, it's gonna be very, very far in between, if we even get it at all. So at this moment, I'm gonna have to pause. However, it's my birthday month, and I do got a birthday discount. So maybe I can apply that, or maybe, like I said, they vanish off the bin and then make their way to the hash wall, and then we get additional 20% off with my 10% birthday coupon. Then maybe I will get that shoe. But if we find it in the factory store, we definitely is gonna get it in the clearance store, man. You just gotta be patient and wait. And for those who's visited from out of state, you guys can take advantage of our tax-free holiday as well. More videos to come. We're back on this channel, we're back around it, and I hope you guys keep watching. Anyways, man, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.